These are the afternoon thunderstorms. In fact, you can see them lying down through Scandinavia, north-south really, down through Czechoslovakia, former Czechoslovakia, around Austria, around Hungary, and then down towards central parts of Italy. Well, more storms to come during Thursday as well. A few showers in central parts of the Mediterranean, but the eastern end of the Mediterranean fairly hot and sunny, and that goes for southern parts of Spain and Portugal as well. Temperatures approaching 30 degrees or so, certainly reaching 30 at Seville, but many other areas staying very hot down there. The cooler weather generally, though, down the western side of Europe, the hot weather remaining across the eastern parts of Europe for the foreseeable future. Well, let's look back at spring 1995 in this country, at least in England and Wales, spring being March, April and May. It's been mild, a little bit above the average temperature. It's also been dry, about 71% of the average, making it the 12th driest spring this century. And it's also been sunny, the 7th sunniest since 1909, when sunshine recorders were first introduced. Well, there's a little bit of rain to come again in the next 24 hours, notably from this weak weather system moving in from the west. That's where it'll be by lunchtime on Thursday. In fact, it'll brought some drizzly rain across Southern Ireland into Dyfed and Cornwall during the night, and further showers to come across the northern half of Scotland as well. But generally speaking, a fine night. Temperatures levelling out at about 6 or 7. Any mist in the morning quickly clearing away, and many central and eastern parts of Britain having a fine day with some sunshine. The best of the sunshine probably in the morning, just isolated showers developing through the afternoon, but fairly frequent showers, I think, to come tomorrow across those northern parts of Scotland once again, and staying misty incidentally around the islands. It'll stay misty in the far southwest of England too, and southern parts of Wales, with further drizzly rain to come for much of the day. In fact, we can see how things are going to pan out down the west country. The drizzle into Cornwall becoming more extensive across into Devon once we get through to the afternoon, and typical temperature 14 or 15. The warmest weather will be further east across there towards East Anglia and the southeast of England, nearer 19 or 20 degrees there. Not a bad day on Friday, many places staying dry, just a few showers, but particularly up in the far north. And that's it from me tonight.
Is Britain searching in the dark for its future in Europe? Where are the politicians with the vision to offer us a clear way forward on the issue of sovereignty or further integration? Is anyone far-sighted enough to know whether prosperity lies at the heart of Europe or more loosely connected? It's 20 years since Britain had its say in a referendum, and now the BBC invites you to look at the evidence again. Sunday will be a day of BBC programmes on Europe. Eurovisions. Breakfast with Frost on BBC One, A Country Called Europe at lunchtime, and then join me, David Dimbleby, for The Big Debate on BBC2 at 8 o'clock, continuing with the radio phone-in on 5 Live at 9:10.
This is the Open University on BBC2. The first of tonight's programmes examines various interpretations of the role of Shakespeare's Hamlet.
This is the first of 2 programmes on Hamlet,